Hello friends, welcome back to MD's Fashion channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and share my channel with your friends. It could be a huge help and motivate me to create more content. Today, I will show you how to make a zero budget ice box using just thermocol and a fish box. And also I will share proof that it really works. So watch till the end without missing any steps. In order to make the zero budget ice box, you can follow this simple method. Step number 1. Cut the thermocol into a square box shape with precise measurements so all four corners fit perfectly. Step 2. Join the corners and apply sellotape to prevent water leaks. Step 3. Freeze water in a polythene bag or in a bottle, then place it in the box with the item you want to keep cold. This method can keep your item cold for around a week. In the step 4, carefully rub the cover box with sellotape. And step 5, handle the box with care during travel as the thermocol is very easy to break. I tested this ice box on a 2-day journey from Moog to Nagaland to Siliguri, West Bengal. Now let's see if it really works or not. And yes, it really worked. Even after traveling in such a hot weather, the frozen ice is still in solid condition. Friends, trust me and give it a try, and it will definitely work. Thank you so much for watching till the end. See you soon in the next video.